Hello there guys, in this video I'm going to talk about big blue button, in short BBB. So I'm going to talk about features found on BBB, how to use those features, and also how to join BBB class. So on your live uh, on your live online virtual engagement class, go to my course, then practical tools, click on big blue button, and here you see presentation that took place already, and you can click on join the session. Okay, before you join actually the class, they normally ask you if you would like to join using a microphone or you would like to join as a listener only. So if you join in as a listener, that basically means that you are only going to listen and you will not be able to participate, and so people will not be able to hear you when you're talking. So you need to choose on microphone so that you can also have an opportunity to take part in the class and in the discussion. So I click on microphone and click on allow. So allow the use of microphone. So then place first the testing to just see if the connection is okay. So click on yes. You can hear that audio. Right, then here you are. You are now in the class. So we have features like public chat, where you can send a message and everybody who is taking part in the class will be able to see that. And you can share a note, or here you can see the uses. At the moment I'm the only one, and this one is actually BBB welcoming you, and these are the features that you find in BBB, like the chat, public, they have a public one and a private one, and a webcam, which I will later show you, an audio, the emojis, breakout rooms, where people can split into groups and have discussion, and then the polling, screen sharing. You're able to share what is on your desktop or whatever that you searched on Google, and multi-user whiteboard. So, and down here you can see slides. You can move from like slide 1 to 2, and then you can move using this arrow, or back if you want to go back to the previous slide. And here we do have tools such as a text. Let's just click on that one, and okay, what's happening? So you can choose a color of your choice like that, and you can also use lines. So you can also use that pen, and then what's this? Let's see. Pen. What do we use this one for? I don't know. Interesting. Anyway, we'll find out what that's for from others. And then we have the undo annotation. So if you would like to undo the action that you just did, you can click on that. See, and if I would like to delete everything that I wrote on the board on this, so I can use this button, click on that, and this one is turning on the multiple whiteboard. And if you double click on it, so it's only one multiple. Yep. So moving to the next slide, you can do whatever you want to be on the next slide. So you can make the presentation full screen by clicking here and fit to width. You can zoom in and out here, and here if you look at here, there's a plus here. If you click on it, you can see that there are actions that you can do, like you can start a poll, okay, but you can decide whether your polls that you want to design is gonna be just a yes and no questions, or true or false, or it's gonna be choices where you can select the correct answer, whether A or B or A, B, C, and so on and so forth. So if you click there, you can add a poll, like a question, and then you just start custom for poll. So that was about the poll, and then if you want, you can upload a presentation. Let's try that. Go to your browser in your computer, and you can choose whatever you wanna upload. You can choose this PowerPoint, open it, okay, and then you can click on upload. See, it tells you that it's uploading here. Right, so our PowerPoint is uploaded and we can move the slides as we wish. So you can use a line to, if you want to show something specific. Like maybe there's a bed somewhere there, you see that bed? Okay. So then you can, yeah, basically present your presentation. And let's go back again. If you want to share a video, you can click here and then you can add your URL. I think I had a video here open. Copy. So add that. Okay, there it is, and then you just say share the video.
I'm sharing my screen.
So our video is being shared, so the participant should be able to see that. And what else is here? So yeah, that's basically it. And here you can mute or unmute yourself. You can leave the audio, switch on the webcam, then it asks you allow or not, so click on allow. So there you see the picture of yourself, and you can actually choose the quality. Okay, let's make it medium. So we can also share our screen. Okay, you can share your screen, your entire screen or application window, Chrome tab, by clicking on that, and then you say share. Then it starts sharing. It does take some time, so we have to be patient with that. And here you have more options. So to make full screen and then setting about, you need some help in keyboard shortcuts. These are just shortcuts that you can do using your keyboards, and end the meeting or log out. Thanks guys for watching, and see you.